Hello. Are you constantly suspecting your partner because you cannot tell how their activities go during the day? Then, here is a practical way on how to fix this. Wait for your partner to come back from work, or wait for when he or she comes visiting. Then have an honest discussion with him or her. Discuss on how you're going to call each other during the day so you can check up on each other. With that, you'll be able to solve that trust issue that is building up inside you. I am Greg Antoinette, your African relationship expert, and I will always come up with good tips on how you can solve a lot of relationship issues. Subscribe to this channel at African Relationship Expert. Bye-bye.